أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مدد يا سلطان الأولياء مدد يا سلطان الأنبياء مدد يا محمد مصطفى دستور يا سيدنا Ali ya Shah Mardan. Welcome to this channel once again on the mountain here in the yurt. Today on the topic, who are the Muwahidin or Muwahidun? Right, we start with a very nice thing. We start with a magic square for the name Wahid. And then because Muwahid is based on Wahid, right? Often I talk on this meme, this essence of the meme, the letter meme, in the Sufi Huruf talisman tradition, spoken tradition, the meme. We will come to that. But first we have to start a little bit below. Muwahid, and then we have Wahid, right? Wahid, it's a very interesting name because its abjad is 19, right? And for all the knowers a little bit, we know that 19 is a very strong number, right? Why? In the Quranic sense, in the prophetic revelations, we have three things here. I mean, there are many things connected to 19, but I will just stay with three for now, maybe, right? Actually, with the name Wahid, we have four, right? What is actually Wahid meaning here is the question, right? Wahid is the one. So it's from the 99 names, yes, it's one meaning. So within the 99 names, you have the name Wahid, the divine name one. He is the one. There is like one. Right? Total unity. This is Wahidat Wujud by Imam Arabi, right? In a very practical form here, right? Everyone knows this by now. Wahidat Wujud, the all existence is one, right? The oneness of consciousness in our realm, in all the realms. Yes. Yes, Wahid. 99 names, 1. 19, what is, now if you have the abjad, if you calculate together, Waw, Alif, Ha, Dal, it is, yes, 19. And why is 19 so special here? Yes, because in the Quran it says, over them they are 19. What is this? This is the Zabaniyun. So you have, I just make a Z here maybe. Z. It's standing for the Zabaniyun. Zabaniyun. Who are the Zabaniyun? They are the 19 keepers, gatekeepers of hell, right? So they are protecting from things coming out of hell, and they are like organizing the whole thing there. I don't want to go into detail with this, because we don't know what's going on there, but this is mentioned. Their overseer is Malik, right? The or Malik, I think, yes. Yes, he's overseeing them. So it's actually the 20th angel, right? So we have those. So they are also about, of course, punishment. In our here mythology, they can be used for sending energy back. And yes, in a very practical sense, in a huruf, talismanic sense, the name Wahid, because it's related to the name Wahid al-Qahar, right? So someone asked lately, please make some videos on the pairs in the Quran, right? Because the names, they come in pairs. So Allah also says everything was created in pairs. So also his names, they come in pairs, right? Right. So Qahar and Wahid, they are a pair. Wahid al-Qahar. I just write it here. We will come to that a little bit later also. So this Wahid, also we have the Quranic verse, which is related to Wahid in verse, yes, in Surah Yasin. إن كانت إلى صيحة واحدة إن كانت إلى صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون فإذا هم خامدون. Yes, and there will be one blast, and they are like finished, disappeared. Wahid, one, implies also the thing that there is maybe one word to be said, and manifestation comes. Right. Wahid also implies it's the first maybe number to befriend the abjad, because we can befriend the huruf, the letters themselves, alif, ba, abjad, alif, ba, jim, dal, ha, wa, and so on. This can be done with the moon mansions. Maybe I will make a separate video on that with the permission of Allah. But this can be an entrance to also the the numbers, right? Because the divine self is all the numbers also, right? It's not only Wahid, but all the numbers come from that. This is a little bit, we are a practical channel here, so we will keep it a little bit practical. What else is connected to the number 19? This is the Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I will just write here 786 and Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil, which is 450, right? Because why? Because they both have 19 letters. Yes, the Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, it has 19 letters, and Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil also has 19 letters. So this is Wahid, oneness. Yes, reciting that name can on one side be very also protective, very like, it's also like Aleph, right? Aligned, one can get very aligned, and one can realize a little bit the reality of oneness. Right. This is this. We now drop the magic square for Wahid, which is amazing because it is a actually it's a hollow square, right? So it goes like this. It's a very special square. And we write it like this. Here is actually a 0, right? But I will come to that a little bit later. 10. Wow. Oh, a bit nicer. Wow. 2. 8. Right? This is a square. It goes to 19. So for those who are interested in diving deeper into the squares, there are the pre-recorded courses, of course, right? Where you can also calculate your own magic squares, know when to write them, how to write them, and things like that, right? Yes. Wahid. And now, a hollow square. What is a hollow square for those who don't know? You can write that, and you can write your intention here, or the prayer, or the thing you want to manifest or be protected from. This can be done. Or you write the square for Qahar here. Yes. So this is the realm of Wahid. Now we can add a meme, Muwahid, right? this is the one who is like beyond oneness, because like it's also Allah's name. This is interesting because we cannot understand this Muwahid. He is making oneness, he is beyond oneness. This is very deep, and this is something just the Muwahidun can comprehend, right? Who are the Muwahidun? They are those, like there is Muslim, Mu'min, many levels, but then there are the Muwahidun. They witnessed oneness. Yes. And this is always to a certain extent, right? Because it's not comprehensible, and there is more to that, and it can go very deep. And this is connected to also the Quranic verse, wherever I look, I see the face of God, right? But I'm not a Ibn Arabi channel. I mean, I could do more topics on that, but we keep it very practical here. Yes? Very practical. So, yeah. I want to also write here the square for Qahar. We will do that. So you have a double square, Wahid al-Qahar. That must be very, very strong. Where are my notes? This is very strong, like for fighting back attacks. It's not very maybe protective, but it's very strong for fighting back psychic or other kind of attacks. So we have Qahar, we can add it here. This is a 4x4. Right? Qaf 99, 98, we keep it 101, 199, 198, 197, Ra 3, 2, 1, Alif. That's interesting, huh? Alright. 4, 11, double Ha, 9, and 12. Oh, sorry, now I mixed up the Arabic. 12, yes. This is a very complex talisman, right? It contains the Wahid, what I said before, and the Qahar. I just make a little bit thicker here, so you can use them also separately. And of course, now we see what happens here. This square empowers that one, because always the hollow squares empower the other ones, yes. Right. Now we do a little ritual for protecting and sending back the energies of all of us attendants here, right? Let's do it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innahu min Sulaiman wa innahu bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alatu ala alayhi wa tuni muslimin. So I just have this thing that I just explained here, handwritten on this paper. It's the same with the 7 seals, the sigils, and we make a fire ritual, so we burn it, so it goes directly into the ether, yeah, into the unseen realm, into the realm of fire, and has a quick impact, inshallah. Usually these kind of things, they might show impact after, they say, 7 to 8 days is the peak. It's a little bit different than a talisman that one can keep and wear, right? I encourage everyone to have those, either done by yourself. We are the DIY community here, right? So yes, for the intention of cutting also cords, releasing the old, and yes, sending back sending back the attacks. And this can be from evil eye, this can be from all kinds of things, right? Bad thoughts, all kinds of things, bad intentions. So we do it. إنه من سليمان وإنه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم التو على لي وأتوني مسلمين. Lighting the talisman from an oil lamp. Dive down here. Alright. Yeah, so I hope you liked that video. Like, subscribe, share. If someone needs a handwritten talisman, like those or smaller ones for wearing, I put them in the pouches for you guys. Please contact. The pre-recorded courses are already uploaded if you want to go the practitioner's path, yes. Befriending the planets, befriending the 99 names, befriending the squares, and the ruhaniyat behind that. Go check it out on the homepage. It's already there. The talismans, you still have to write me a message either through Instagram or through yes, through WhatsApp. Keep the beats moving. See you in the next video. Salams.